Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros, and here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off Google Translate in Google Chrome. Alright, so this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. So ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Chrome web browser. And then dito lang sa upper right side ay makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots. So kailangan mo lang yan i-select. And then next ay kailangan lang natin i-select tong settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan lang natin i-select tong language. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa language, scroll lang tayo. And then makikita mo kaagad dito yung Google Translate. Alright, so use Google Translate will offer to translate sites into your preferred language. Alright, so it can also automatically translate sites. Kung gusto mo naman itong i-turn off or i-turn on, so click mo na itong button na to, so click mo lang yan. And then na-turn off na po siya mga kaibigan. Alright, so makita mo dito, naka-turn off. Gusto mo naman itong i-turn on or enable mo siya, click mo na yan. Alright, so dito naman ay may mga other option settings. So pwede kang mag-change ng language, click mo lang yan siya. And then dito naman ay pwede kang mag-add ng other language. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-turn off ang Google Translate sa Google Chrome. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.